आनी आतां खबरो विस्तारान. गोंयांत 4 फेब्रुवारीक जाल्ल्या वेंचणुकांचे निकाल 11 मार्चाक जाहीर जातले. 11 तारखेक जावपी मतमोजणी खातीर उत्तर गोंय जिल्लोधिकारी आनी हेर वेंचणूक यंत्रणा सज्ज जाल्यात. उत्तर गोंयांत बाल भवनांत मतमोजणी जातली. ह्या प्रक्रिये खातीर 10 हॉलांची वेवस्था केल्या. एका हॉलांत 2 मतदारसंघाची मतमोजणी हातीत घेतले आनी प्रत्येक मतदारसंघाची 4 रावंडांनी मतमोजणी जातली. एकूण 129 टेबल्सांची वेवस्था आसा, अशी माहिती उत्तर गोंयची जिल्लोधिकारी नीला मोहनन हिणें दिल्या. आरडीएक्सो खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
We will be opening the strong rooms. In our case for North Goa district, the strong rooms are in Bal Bhavan. We will be opening the strong rooms at 7 a.m. on the day of counting, 11th March. And we will commence the counting with the postal ballot counting at 8 a.m. And half an hour from then, we will be commencing with the counting for the EVMs. Now, regarding the details of the counting halls, we have 10 counting halls for North Goa. In each counting hall, we will be taking up, except for one. Hall number 1 will be for Mandre and Perne. So we will start with 1 Mandre and then we will continue with the counting for 2 Perne. The total number of tables in this hall is 12. And the total number of rounds will be 8. So for Mandre constituency, the number of rounds will be 4. 4 rounds we will be completing the counting for Mandre constituency. After that is over, we will go on to the counting for Perne constituency, 2 Perne, which will again be 4 rounds. The second counting hall, hall number 2, will be for Shivolim, 6 Shivolim and 7 Saligaon. And the total number of tables in this hall is 13. Number of rounds for 6 Shivolim, 4. For 7 Saligaon, it will be 3 rounds. Hall number 3 will be for Mapsa. This is the only counting hall where we will be taking up 1 constituency. Hall number 3, Mapsa, we will have 13 tables and 4 rounds. Hall number 4, we will start with Kalangut, 8 Kalangut, and then we will continue with 9 Podvorim. The number of tables are 12. The number of rounds for 8 Kalangut will be 3 and for 9 Podvorim will be 4. Hall number 5 will be for Assembly constituency 10 Aldona and 11 Panjim. There will be 13 tables and there will be 4 rounds for 10 Aldona and 3 rounds for 11 Panjim. Hall number 6, we will take up Assembly constituencies 12 Taligaon and 13 Santa Cruz. For 12 Taligaon, we will have 3 rounds, and for 13 Santa Cruz, we will have 3 rounds. We will have 14 tables in this hall. Hall number 7 will be 18 Podia and 19 Valpoi. We will have 13 tables in that hall, and 18 Podia, we will have 5 rounds. We will be completing in 5 rounds. 19 Valpoi, we will have 4 rounds. Hall number 8 will be 14 Santandre and 15 Kumbajua. Number of tables 12. Number of rounds for Santandre will be 4, and for Kumbajua it will be 4. Hall number 9 will be for 3 Bicholi and 4 Tivi. Number of tables 14, and number of rounds for 3 Bicholi will be 4. Number of rounds for 4 Tivi will be 3. And hall number 10 will be for 16 Mae and 17 Sankhli. Number of tables in this hall 13. Number of rounds for 16 Mae 4, and number of rounds for 17 Sankhli will also be 4. So in total we will have 129 tables. That is the total number of tables for North Goa district, 129. And the total number of rounds is 71. That's total for all the constituencies put together. We have trained and deployed around 600 of our staff as the personnel who will help us with the counting process, including the staff of the ROs, the DEO, etc. And there will be around 400 security personnel. So in total, we will have around 1,000 people, including our staff, the counting staff, RO staff, DEO staff, as well as the security personnel. I have already issued orders for closure of the road, which is going in front of Bal Bhavan. This is required to ensure the smooth conduct of this entire process of counting. So the road from Kampal Bal Ganesh temple to the fire force headquarters will be closed for normal vehicular traffic from 6 a.m. till the end of the counting process, and only emergency vehicles and vehicles of the residents who stay in that area will be allowed, and that too from the fire force headquarters side, definitely not from the Bal Bhavan side. That will be totally closed. The parking of vehicles will be made, facilities will be provided at Bandodkar football ground. The emergency vehicles will be parked on Kampal parade ground, and for our official parking we have designated places in Indoor Stadium Kampal, and no vehicles will be allowed to stop or park on the DB Bandodkar mark. So these are the important traffic related information that I wanted to share. Further, I have also imposed 144 CRPC provisions will be applicable. So no hotels, restaurants, dhabas, gadas, etc., which are within perimeter of radius of 200 meters will be allowed. 200 meters from Bal Bhavan, we will not allow any gadas, hotels, restaurants, if any, within that radius of 200 meters to operate on that day of counting. Apart from this, we have also deployed executive magistrates, and we have also deployed special additional district magistrates at every taluka to supervise law and order maintenance on that particular day. Our teams will also be there in place. Executive magistrate flying squad teams and our accounting teams will be active on that particular day, because the expenses incurred on the day of counting would also be factored in the expenditure accounts of the candidates. Regarding postal ballot, I would like to share some data. We had issued 8,469 postal ballots in North Goa district, 8,469, out of which we have received, as of yesterday, which is March 8th, we have received 3,322. This is what we have received by post and through the facilitation center, which was active till the day of dispatch, the facilitation center during training and during dispatch. Now, apart from this, you are aware that drop boxes were kept in the offices of the RO. As per the instructions of the commission, those drop boxes have not been opened. Therefore, we only have an approximate count of the number of votes which are there in those drop boxes. Approximately, as of yesterday, around 75% of postal ballots have been cast. 75% of 8,469. All right, but the figures which are of the votes cast in the drop box will be revealed only at the time of opening of the drop box, at the time of counting. We are not in a position to give the actual accurate figures because we are not allowed to open it. We have a separate strong room for postal ballot in Bal Bhavan. Now, tomorrow, starting from 3 o'clock in the evening, the returning officers of each constituency will be bringing their postal ballot steel trunks along with the drop box to our counting center here at Bal Bhavan, and we will be keeping these in our strong room for postal ballot, which is a completely separate strong room. So we will be designating a particular room as the strong room for the postal ballot. It will be kept there under seal, and it will be opened next day, that is on the day of counting.